Welcome everyone, so glad to have you here with us. Just sharing some harvest and our butterfly milkweed. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to BlackBerry Haven. You see my newly picked bowl here at A Christian Woman's Journey. My goodness, I am tired. I am sweating from harvesting all these blackberries. We literally get a bowl like that every day. Such an absolute blessing from God. But after a while, wow, you start asking yourself, what do you do with them? If you have a lot of blackberries and you're curious, what am I going to do with them? I have in my DIY playlist and my family favorite cooking playlist, everything that we do with these blackberries. But you always got to come up with new ideas. This weekend, I am going to make blackberry lollipops. We've got these washed and weighed, and we're getting them into a heavy bottomed pot. We're on medium heat, and we're just gonna mash these guys, getting the juice out without letting it boil. Getting our juice there. Setting up the molds. And some silicone mats for any extra. Our juice can go right back into the pot. And this is candy, so we need plenty of sugar. Getting our sugar melted over low heat. You don't want this to burn. It burns very easily. This color is so pretty. It smells so nice. We did get a few seeds. Hopefully that's not going to bother our lollipops. Okay, that is dissolved. So we're going to turn up our heat to medium high. Get our thermometer in place and we'll watch it. So if you've ever made candy apples, this is a lot like making candy apples. We have our thermometer placed. We're not going to stir it anymore. We're letting it come to a boil. Go by what your thermometer says. We're looking for hard crack. That's usually about 300 to 310. And then we're going to drop our candy. And if you are homeschooling, hey, this is your chemistry class going on right here. This is really boiling like crazy. We are almost getting to temperature, just about there. This can take 20 to 30 minutes to get to hard crack. Okay, so we got that poured. Today is a muggy day, probably not the best day to make candy. It can take a little bit longer, it can be a little bit thicker. We managed to get all that poured, taking a little break, and we'll check it in about an hour. Okay, so I had to pull off some of the pops and really start checking out this candy. So yeah, it's still a little soft. Not supposed to eat it yet, but I had to taste it. The flavor is amazing. So you can see this is a little bit soft. Not gonna stop me from enjoying it while I'm waiting for the rest to harden up so I can have some lollipops. Okay guys, gonna sign off. Hope you try this. Hope you enjoy it. Be careful. It gets really, really hot and sticky. Love and light. To God be the glory. I'll see you again really soon. Bye now.